Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, August 7th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, it's kind of a crappy day today. They're back to worrying about the Fed and cutting back on quantitative easing. This irritates me. I understand what the problems are, but this economy is improving. We're going to get out of this hole, and we're going to have a booming economy pretty soon. And at some point, we got to give up sucking on this nipple called quantitative easing. And unfortunately, everybody gets all disturbed when there's any rumors or talk that we're going to ease up on that. We're going to have to ease up on it. It's coming, and this market is going to go a lot higher. But meanwhile, we just have to deal with these crappy days. Dow Jones Industrial Average closed down 48 points. It actually came back from its lows. It's hardly a sell-off. I wouldn't even call it a correction, but we've had 3 straight losing days in a row, at least as far as the Dow. Now, we haven't had 3 losing days in a row. Actually, we lost $6,900 a day. That's not a good day, admittedly, but keep in mind that the first day of trading this month we made over $20,000 and we made over $1,000 each of the other 2 days. So, we can sustain a $6,900 loss without any problems. But the problem that I have is this is just a boring market. We had 5 trades coming into the day. They all lost money. Nothing, no big losers, just a little losers. It adds up, almost $7,000. That's not a fun day to trade. Anyway, let's take a look at the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here. And you can see here we've had 1, 2, and 3 losing days in a row. But also, I point out that this isn't the kind of this isn't a bear market pattern at all. This is just a market that has some profit taken coming into it. But notice we get some build after it makes lows. I don't know. I suppose tomorrow could be another losing day, but I'm looking that this market is going to take off here pretty soon if people can stop worrying about quantitative easing. But we'll just have to see. Anyway, it's kind of just slow pain. We are carrying $2,000 in open trade equity on the positions we're going into tomorrow. So that's pretty good. We only have 3 positions. We don't buy much in a down market. I don't have much to show you today. I'll just show you one little frustrating market. But they're all pretty frustrating. This is in Unipixel. This has been a good market for us, but you can see a couple days ago we got a nice little trade in there. But yesterday we jumped into this about halfway through the day on a pop-up, and it came back, and then it closed a little bit profitable. And it really didn't close. It closed pretty neutral. But this morning, it popped up there pretty good, and it was about the only market that looked halfway decent this morning. We were up a little over $1,000 on Unipixel, but then it just immediately starts to fade, and you can see it just fades all day, and we ended up getting out fairly close to the low of the day with $1,000 loss. So I have a $2,000 swing there in Unipixel. No big deal, but again, we had 5 for 5 losers on our closed out trades today, and you can't make money doing that. Anyway, hope it goes better tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.